Hey, it's your favorite nurse practitioner, Hope Williams. I'm coming to bring you some important updates regarding men's health. Um, Recently, I lost one of my brothers, and it was some controversy regarding if he had a heart attack or if it was possible some other means. However, just based on some recent information that I received, I am I felt like it would be good to bring some awareness to men's health. Oftentimes men do not go to the doctor, and they really do need to get physicals just like women do. Um, from what I understand, my brother was suffering from some shortness of breath that he, probably just thought would go away. However, all shortness of breath is not just regular shortness of breath. There are times where some shortness of breath are medical indicators. And with this particular situation, it seemed as though he should have possibly gone to the doctor. However, it's just one of those things where, it may not have made a difference if he had gone, because we all have a date, a day, time, and hour that we have to leave here. However, just some tips, men, if you have shortness of breath that lasts, more than a few seconds, if it progresses where you're having more episodes, daily or after certain exercise, or even after you have gotten to the point where you're feeling it, even after you do the slightest bit of exercise, please see your doctor. If you are having shortness of breath and a cough, please see your doctor. If you are noticing that you're swelling, that even though we all get older, none of us can do the things we used to do. We can do them, but now we have to use wisdom to do them. But if you know that there are some things that you were able to do yesterday, without it, fatiguing you, without it creating a lot of problems, but today you're doing them and it's taking you, longer rest periods to recover, please see your doctor. Men, your prostate health is very important. Black men, it has been proven time and time again through research that black men, more than likely around the age of 50, some as early as 40, will begin to show problems with their prostate. Prostate cancer can be a very treatable cancer, and in many cases very curable if you seek medical attention early enough. So with that being said, please never be afraid to see your provider. Never be afraid to talk to them about your problems. If you're experiencing blood in your urine, if you're experiencing low back pain, don't just chalk it up to the fact that, hey, you work hard or you've been picking up and lifting up on some things at work. Yeah, that could be the case, but then there may be some times where it's not that you picked up something at work. So please don't just dismiss everything. Always, after you've taken things like ibuprofen for back pain or any muscle pain, and if it still persists longer than 3 to 4 weeks, please see your medical provider. Also, men, please never be ashamed to talk to your provider about your sexual health. It is very important that if you are on any type of medication, such as for diabetes, high blood pressure, even thyroid disorder, any of those type of diseases, disorders can create problems for your sexual health secondary to your medication. If that is the case, please open up to your provider about the problems that you're experiencing sexually. You have to keep home happy. You have to, and I know that, sometimes you want to make a decision. What's best? Just don't take the medicine and maintain your integrity, your pride, or, make yourself feel like, oh, I'm getting old and I can't do the things I used to do. But then you put yourself at risk for possibly, some adverse, detrimental things to your health. So with that being the case, please talk to your provider. There's always sometimes other medicines or other treatments that can help you in that area. If your provider don't ask you, are you having any problems, feel free to talk to them at any given time. If I'm your provider, there's never a time that you can't say, what you need to say to me, because I am here for you. My role as the provider is to make sure that you're taken care of, to make sure that you're healthy, to make sure that you continue to be a healthy, viable, productive citizen in this community, as well as to your family unit. With that being said, I appreciate you guys. If you need, a good provider, you're welcome to come see me. Of course, I'm in Belzoni now, but hey, even if it's not me, there are tons of good providers in this area that can do this, the same thing that I can do, which is take care of you. That's my spiel on men's health. This is your favorite Pratt. Peace.